Hi, this is Matt Stillman from Microfacturing Institutes, and I'm here to show you how to inject predefined messages to the MQTT out node on IoT Creator. Instead of just using the output of the dashboard switch light control, you can also use Inject nodes to send an MQTT message to the Shelly Puck US. You can then also use a debug node to see what the inject node actually sends out. By using inject nodes, you don't need to switch back and forth to the user interface, and you can see the result in the debug tab. Next, search for the word inject on the left side panel, and then drag an inject node to your flow or connect it with the MQTT output called Send to Shelly Plug US. You can then also use a debug node to see what the inject node actually sends out. After that, you'll want to double-click on the inject node and change the payload to string on. Finally, click on the Deploy button in the top right corner. If successful, you'll see a message that says Successfully Deployed. You can also add another inject node with a payload of off. To do this, click on the Inject tab on the left and drag a second inject node into your flow. Once dragged into your flow, the second inject node will then say timestamp. After this, click on the Debug tab on the left and drag a debug node onto your flow. After doing this, your debug node will say message.payload. Then click on the right side of your timestamp node in your flow and connect it to message.payload. Next, you'll want to click on the right side of the same timestamp node and connect it to the MQTT output node, which says Send to Shelly Plug US. Following this, click on your timestamp node, and to the right of where it says Payload, click on the box that says Timestamp. Doing this will trigger a list of options, and you will want to search for the one that says String. After selecting String, you will be given the option to type in a message. Simply type in the word off. Following this, click on the red box in the top right corner that says Done. Finally, click on the Deploy button in the top right corner to proceed. Once again, doing this successfully will show a message that says Successfully Deployed.